All right, welcome to the next module, Cloud Storage Basics. In this module, we're going to talk about what cloud storage really is about. First of all, that it is object storage. Second of all, that it's easy to use, durable, and highly available. And third of all, we can pay per use using different kind of storage classes for different workloads. Google Cloud Storage is object storage. Now, how is that different from a normal file system? First of all, objects in object storage are not mutable. So you cannot change an object that you have uploaded. The only way to do that is to download that object, change it on your local file system, and then re-upload it, overwriting the older version. Another thing that is of interest is that instead of having file names, objects have keys. And the normal kind of restrictions that we have with file names are not valid with these object keys. So you can have quite exotic keys. So what would we use cloud storage for? First of all, as we've already seen, we can host a website on it. We could also just use that for static content in a dynamic website. Nowadays, also as a data lake, or just general backup and archival storage due to the good price point. Remember that Google uses cloud storage internally for all kinds of use cases. YouTube, ads, even Google Photos are using the same backend as cloud storage does. One of cloud storage's best features is its durability of 11 nines. That means that there is a 99.9999999% chance that your data will be as you have written it when you try to read it. That sounds a little bit weird, but if you think of it the other way around, if you have 10 million objects, you will lose one object every 10,000 years. Sounds a lot better. In addition to having just the 11 nines reliability or durability within a region, cloud storage also supports dual region and multi-region redundancy. We're going to talk more about that in the next lecture. Additionally, cloud storage guarantees very low latency for the first byte access, just a couple of tens of milliseconds. From the availability perspective, we're getting a 3 nines to 4 nines availability. Here, the service level objective is a little bit lower than what we're really seeing. So in reality, Google Cloud Storage does its work a little bit better than what it was planned for originally. Another great feature with cloud storage is how easy it is to use. We have the web console, which is a browser-based file management system, basically. Or we can use the deepdives-eu CLI tool for scripting support. As with all Google Cloud services, naturally there is also an API which can be used. In the case of cloud storage, both JSON or XML APIs are available. In cloud storage, objects can be in different storage classes, which are priced differently based on the type of workload we're using the storage for. More about that in the object module. Cloud storage is based on the Google Classes file system. The Classes system is Google's planet-wide data storage solution, which is used by all Google services from YouTube to a virtual machine hard drive.